Guys, potential overpressure is expected at upstream design pressure is full shut-off pressure is right.
If you say that if the suction pressure is more than 60 bar. Copy the same
This one.
Yeah.
I think I will copy and please correct me.
Okay.
Right. And MPS pump suction pressure will increase. Pump shut-off pressure will, okay, suction pressure will exceed. STVS, this correct. So then I will put the same scenario here.
Yeah.
People 5. People environment. Then insert A. Then insert R. So people 5. Then environment 3. Then asset 3. Reputation 3. Okay. So we'll put the same thing here. Okay. So first is malfunction closure. So BPCS control loop. And this is potential the check valve. Check valve we have taken
0.1, I think you're saying.
0.1, yeah. Check valve. Where is check valve? Check valve. Let me know if you are able to see the check valve. Check valve 0.1, yeah. So this is none. This is none. And we'll go for the first IPL. For this malfunction closure of FCV.
Consider that the two, no, don't say independent, that the 2 out of 3 PTs.
Okay, can you dictate?
2003 logic.
No, what is tag number? 2 out of 3?
PT, I don't know the tag number. You have to go to PND. Suction side, yeah, suction side.
05. 10, 12, 05, ABC.
10, 12-05, right?
Yes, ABC. Voting 2 out of 3.
B/C will trip the pump, yeah. Running pump.
Will initiate ESD2.
Initiate is the ESD2.
Initiate.
Yeah.
This is a new tag number or old tag number?
This is a new tag number. If you ask about the
we can say that PT ABC with 2003 logic.
With but guys, if it is a SIL 2, then with 2 out of 3 logic.
203, not 2003.
Yeah. So this is SIL 2, right? This is SIL 2.
Yeah, we can consider as a SIL 2, yeah.
So that means I have taken credit of SIL 2 earlier also. Here I have not taken SIL 2. I have taken SIL 1.
That is okay. 70% flow path monitoring, it is the limit switch. Though it is SIL 2, better to consider.
No, I think better we consider higher one, no? We consider this one. Then let us consider this one.
You can do that, yeah.
Yeah, flow path monitoring is highest SIL 3 rated, no?
Path monitoring
is highest SIL rated.
So Ananta and Roman, I have taken SIL 2 in the first one also. So this has become SIL 1, and here SIL 2. This will go.
This becomes SIL 2. Yeah.
This will go
on the
DH.
which one is semi معانا في الميتنج
This will go. This will go.
سماد معانا ممكن نضرب في الميتنج.
انجينير عماد كان ماسك this.
Okay. So okay. So guys, I hope you are with me. I was reviewing the discharge.
All instruments will be minimum SIL 2.
Yeah, minimum SIL 2. Yeah. Okay. Now question is, in the first case, when this FCV is closed, I am taking only PT suction PT, and I'm not taking any credit of discharge. So we should also take some credit of discharge also.
No, SIL 2 is there. The discharge is only this PT is the malfunction. So
we
that's
cannot
it.
Take,
yeah. We cannot take. Yeah.
We cannot. But can we take this credit if the discharge is high? Can I take the credit of this one? PAH? This is not IPL, right? Because it is IPL, no? Because the first one is tripping entire ESD. This will trip the pump. A high discharge pressure will also increase high suction pressure because flow is coming. So this is IPL for this case.
Friction field is coming something.
Yes, guys. I mean,
This-
earlier we have taken this PSA discharge. In this case,
Maybe
and for this case, I can take the credit. Correct, Ananta?
No, but then we have to review the set points of this is different or this higher than the set point of the PTs.
Yes.
To separate if you're. I think it is okay. Just consider that SIL 2 you have considered. SIL 2 is 200 RRF. It is okay.
Yes.
Leave it. I mean, there is the
But
same pressure
but
this
then
one.
I have to justify. Then I have to justify here in the comments why I have not considered this one. Why I have not considered this one? Because for this case I have considered this one, and for this case I have to consider this one.
Which
Because
one?
this is complementary.
Which case? No. On the discharge side, you have considered one ESD2. Yes, correct. That
I have
is 70%, right? 70%.
That I have considered. Yes, that I have considered.
Yeah. And
But
then,
for this case also, this would come into the picture. High discharge pressure means high suction pressure because there is continuous flow. If there is a continuous flow, I am not able to discharge. That means this pressure will increase. And if this pressure will increase, this will stop the running pump. This is IPL.
what are the set points of this and then the 2 out of 3 logic?
Ajaluddin, can you please explain? 60 bar G.
Which will act first?
You need to share my screen.